Hey, welcome to video number 3 in the How to Buy Your Home Step-by-Step series. We are covering the crucial steps that most people overlook that could save them time, stress, and literally thousands of dollars. This video is all about making an offer on a home that you've selected after getting your finances in order. Until now, you've walked through video number 1, which was the introduction, and video number 2, which was how to search and getting prepped for the purchase. And by the way, if you haven't watched video 2, Search and Prep, in this series yet, I've linked it somewhere over here on top. Suggest that you watch video number 2 before this. Hey, Ravi and Sijy Ramachandran, the managing broker with the Rhymes Group here. We specialize in helping home buyers and sellers just like you take control of the real estate process with total confidence and ease. After watching this video, if you have any questions about anything I cover, feel free to reach out. I've included my contact information in the description below. After searching for your ideal home and getting prepped with the finances, the next is to make an offer, and that's where this video fits in. Here are steps 7 and 8 to help you do just that. Step number 7, once you find a perfect home, the next step is for you to make an offer on it. Now, your real estate agent will help you determine what the fair market value for that home specifically is so that you are fully informed. The agent will help you write up the offer and submit it to the sellers through the listing agent, and you will also include the pre-approval letter that you obtain from the lender. Now, the pre-approval letter serves 2 purposes. One is to create sellers' confidence about your ability to afford the home, as well as that you'll be able to close the loan on time and own the home. Now, before you make an offer, your realtor will educate you on the various contingencies that you can include as part of your offer. Inspection, financing, appraisal, home sale, title, those are all few contingencies to name. Your realtor should also discuss the impact of including or waiving the different contingencies when you make your offer. This is so that you are fully informed of the pros and cons, depending on what the seller is looking for in an offer, and based on your competition, your realtor should be able to fill in on the various nuances of making your offer attractive in the eyes of the seller, besides discussing other strategies to help you win that particular home. Okay? Step number 8, earnest money. When you submit your offer, you will submit a percentage of the purchase price known as the good faith deposit, also called as the earnest money. The earnest money is a portion of the down payment which is due within a certain time period after you go under contract. One thing you have to be careful is that you cannot back out of the contract for a change of mind or some fault of yours, because you may very well lose your earnest money, something to be aware of. Of course, the contingencies are there to protect your earnest money should you want to back out of the contract for some legitimate reason. Say the inspection did not come through and did not check out okay, or the financing or the appraisal did not come through as well. So those are all reasons where you can back out of the contract. That's all you have to know about earnest money. Now, this brings us to the end of this video. As always, feel free to reach out should you have any questions about anything I've covered, and I'm happy to explain. Now, that brings us to the end of this video, video number 3. See you in the next video, video number 4, which is all about negotiations. Ooh, cool.